Charleston Pike, headed southeast away from Main Street Bridge towards the overpass of the C&O Railroad, built about 1927, 29. And there is the Saddle River and the whole US 35 bridge. So it's a big sycamore that was cut. This is all part of the new overpass of the railroad. They're going to build a new roadway and have a completely different crossing. And I read a post about how all this logging looked horrible, and no, it doesn't look that great. This is the narrow bridge that's going to be replaced. 2-lane, no extra space. And that does look pretty rough.